is Sunil Ramaswamy. This is basically the 229 part of the language power. So in last video basically we saw lots of things basically, and last video also basically we saw lots of things. So here basically one of the person basically asked the question: each and every products basically which human needs are using, do we have the list of the entire product? So one of the person to the World Bank basically might be having, but mostly basically this project, if the each and everything basically is getting sorry, the because digital world is there, so each and every products basically which gets scanned basically, for example biscuit, fruits, vegetables, that are basically getting scanned from the each and every areas basically. So that data basically 100% banks are basically connecting, and banks basically have that data basically. So one of the person told that this is the bank doing basically. So one person told the World Bank basically is not have, might be having the data. The person who is the creator basically, he might not be having the data basically. The person basically who is launching the product basically, for example human needs basically is one product basically. So that human needs basically is one product basically that contains everything basically. So human need is one product basically which is basically created by financial industry basically. They have basically given the list and entire list basically to the World Bank and told that basically this is the each and every human needs basically, which is categorized also basically according to the religion, according to the nationality basically, things are basically calculated basically. So for example the vegetables basically, vegetables mostly basically the Indian nationality people eat. Mostly basically the Italian groups are there, then the Russian groups are there, then the UA groups are there, then the USA groups are there. They mostly prefer non-veg. They basically don't prefer the vegetables. So there, according to there basically the areas are basically. So according to that basically the scans happens, and human needs basically are created by the financial industry basically. They have basically created one product for human needs basically. Human, assume that basically that the product name is human need basically, and that is basically launched by the financial industry basically. They have given the data to the World Bank basically, and World Bank basically have the 100. They basically just have to their data basically just need to update basically that this human needs, for example vegetables. So vegetable data they already have, they just need updation basically, and in that subcategory types of vegetables and lots of basically things basically, vitamins, how is the vitamins basically are things, each and everything basically are calculated in next video.